Hey everybody, it's Neil, and welcome to my my area where I'm doing my 3D printing. So I have this printer here, and then if you look over there, there's another printer back there, and all some spools of filament and stuff like that. And what does all this stuff do? It kind of stinks when I'm doing it. So I got myself an air purifier, because hey, what's better than that? Also, I think I burned some toast earlier, and it smells like burned toast. So we're gonna try this one out here. This is POMORON, POMORON. Okay, what a name. So this is it here, and this is, I guess, what it looks like in there. So we're gonna check this thing out, the air purifier, so hopefully it'll make the place smell pretty again. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Sorry if it's bouncing. I'm unboxing this on the same table that the camera is on. So let me try to do this separate then. So, a piece of that. And this is the unit right there. And then we have instructions right there, and that's it. Just the bottom of the box. So let's check this thing out. Hopefully there's a cord in there. So let's open this up here. Sorry if it's a little noisy. I got the fans going from the printer because I am printing something. And so this is what it looks like. Boy, this is a nice, hefty looking air purifier. And let's see, it's got a little dial here in the bottom, so I'm guessing this is where we open it up. And we have the filter, and I'm guessing this is going to be the plug. And I'm right. So it looks like it's an adapter here, and it's going to run off of 24 volts. So we'll open this up and open up that filter. It looks like a nice heavy duty filter, which is good because it kind of stinks around here. Man, I did a bad job cooking. Okay, so let's check out this filter here a little bit. So it's got the foam gasket here, and then it's got the ribs right there. And I don't know if you can tell, it's barely see-through-ish, so it means it's doing a lot in there. So let's see. So it's put the stuff together. So this is the bottom base, so it's twisted in from the bottom. And then this is the fan unit on the top. And I guess it goes there. Oh, I think it turns from the bottom, right? Oh yeah, so you unturn it that way and then turn it that way. So now it is locked in place. And let's see. And then we have the plug there. So let's plug it in. See how this thing goes. There is an outlet behind me. It beeped to turn on. So let's see here how it works. Just to make sure the plug fits right, all the safety things getting started. Okay, it kind of explains how to open it up and take that out of the plastic bag. We already did that. So on the top, you'll see there's a lot of different button options. Let me take, it's got one of those little plastic films on it, you know. I'll show you guys as I'm doing it here. Like the little, I don't know, protective film. Ooh, nice and shiny. Okay, so it's got all the different buttons on there. So there's the power, and you can see it's got different modes on there. So, oh, wow. I'm gonna turn it off right now just because it's probably gonna be too noisy for the moment because it's blowing a lot. It's blowing right into into there. Okay, so we have the filter reset button, which is gonna be that there. So once the filter becomes bad, I guess it's gonna light up and we're gonna have to push that button. The display lock button, so that'll just keep it displayed where we're at. We have indicator lights showing what mode we're at. We have a light button, and a fan speed button is there, and then the on-off button. So I'll turn it on, and then the light shines. Ah, right there's the light. You see it? So if I push the button, I can turn it off. So if I wanted it in my bedroom when I'm sleeping, I can turn it off. In there. Sorry. I don't know what I ate. And then I can push the fan button here. So this is now, we're at fan speed 3. So this is the maximum blowing, and it's blowing a lot. And then I can just leave it on like the 1. So now it is blowing, so it's nice and filtering and not having to do much. And then I can set it even as a timer. So I can say I want to just go for 5 hours if I want to just go as I'm going to sleep or something. or I can just set it to go for 24 hours if I burn my food and I just want to just get a good clean out of the whole place. So this is really sweet. It's got all these different options to it, and just put it down. Let's see how it does. It really doesn't vibrate too much. It's got a little noise to it, but I think that's just the fan blowing. I mean, it's just what it is. But it's nice background sound. Actually, it would probably be nice as you're going to sleep. Cuts out all the sound of everything else, depending on where you're at. Like when I'm in the camper and stuff like that, it'd be nice because then it would cut out, because it's right next to the street, it would cut out the street sound. But if I'm just somewhere quiet, I would probably just put it on like, well, it looks like it's got the moon mode, which is probably, it looks like it's just the low mode. And then I've got, yeah, just the different modes I would set it on in the different times. So it's pretty cool. So I like it, and it looks really nice. A nice little black thing here. I could probably take off this sticker here so I don't have to see the before use. For the first time, please take out the filter to unpack it. Well, we did that, so we probably don't need that anymore. So there, now we have the sticker. There's a little bit of sticker residue on there, but there, now it's a little nicer. So I can just stick that in the corner somewhere, and it's gonna be a nice black fan sitting there. It's good because that's black, and the couch is black, everything else is black. So for me, the black is good. It may even come in other colors, but it's pretty nice. So you just have to keep it going, and then when you see the little light up for the filter, it's time to replace the filter. I'm sure those are probably easy to get to, and it's good. It remembers the last place it was. So if you had a power outage and it turns back on again, it's gonna pick up where it left off. So I really like this air purifier. Definitely needed one, so the perfect timing for me to get this. So I'm glad it came today, because today was the day I burned my toast. But that's about it. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews as I come up with them. So I'm gonna go now and just put this on the floor and let it go. And if there's any issues with it for any reason, I'll let you know, but it seems like it's gonna be perfect for me. And I would say it's probably about 16 inches or so tall, so it's nice, good size, and it's got good airflow. I mean, it was loud because I'm sitting right next to it, but I'm sure when it's on the other side of the room, it's actually on right now. I didn't even realize it. I have it on the moon mode, so that's the night mode, so it's just going quiet. So you can keep it as quiet as you want or as noisy as you want. The noise that we're hearing is the printer back there. You want to see what I'm printing? It's a little dragon. See if you can see it from here. That's it. But that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.